Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Dave Deacon just provided a great interpretation of what plan available water maps show. A map from Wednesday shows how the areas of drier soils from the surface down to 16 inches, colored brown and yellow on our map, are expanding. Two areas of interest are where we have 4 Mesonet locations in 2 different counties, Payne and Oklahoma counties. In Oklahoma County, 3 of the Mesonet sites are reporting more than 3 inches of plan available water. Oklahoma City East didn't receive as much rainfall as the others and only has 1 51/100 inches of plan available water. Moving north to Payne County, we see even more variation between Mesonet locations. The western 2 sites, Lake Carl, Blackwell, and Marina, are both below an inch. Stillwater has 2 19/100, while Perkins comes in at 1 64/100 inches of plan available water. Cattle are having to adjust to much different conditions this weekend. A Mesonet graph of cattle comfort from Wednesday shows how days that were reaching into the high 80s have been replaced with much cooler days, and nighttime lows now dropping into cattle comfort teens. Ranchers will be monitoring their herds for animals showing stress from the sudden change. Gary, what's the latest on our continuing drought?
Good morning, everybody. And as usual lately, I get to start off my segment with a very ugly picture, uglier than this, of course, and that's our drought picture. So let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map released on Thursday. Now we do have some better colors showing up in southern, central, and northeastern Oklahoma, when I'm afraid much of western Oklahoma, including northwestern and north central Oklahoma, still covered by that dark red and maroon color, meaning extreme to exceptional drought. In fact, 67% of Oklahoma still covered by that extreme to exceptional drought, and basically 99% of the state covered by from severe to exceptional drought. So still not a great drought picture, but of course we have had improvements with the last couple of rainfall events. So that's something to be thankful for. Now let's take a look at the winter outlooks from the Climate Prediction Center. This is for the December through February time frame. We can see for temperature we have an increased chance of above normal temperatures for our winter season. Now for precipitation we get the dreaded EC designation, which means equal chances. Basically equal chances of above, below, or near normal conditions. So in effect, no forecast attempted on precipitation. Now let's take a look at the U.S. seasonal drought outlook. This covers basically current period through the end of January. Since we are entering climatologically our driest time of the year, also the El Nino that looked like it was going to develop apparently is not going to, so no help from El Nino. It does look like that drought will persist over much of Oklahoma and really much of the Great Plains and farther out west. Now there is chance for some improvement in southern and southeastern Oklahoma. That doesn't mean complete elimination of drought, but just maybe a better chance that we'll put a few dents in that drought. Again, this outlook is not always the best as you get farther out, but at least for the near future, this is probably what it's going to look like. Same old story, we just need rain and lots of it. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.